This video is going to walk you through how to search in Sugar using Global Search. Global Search allows you to locate a record across the entire system. Located on the module navigation bar, Global Search utilizes full text search to search for all the designated fields in a module. By default, Global Search will search all the modules, but you can change that to a select few modules to search by. To use Global Search, enter a keyword in the search box. Once you start typing, Sugar will start displaying results just below the search box. If there are more than 5 results, you can click the View All Results to open a page that will show the search results. This page shows you the total number of results, your filters, and a breakdown of the results by module. You can also preview your results by clicking the record's preview icon. When searching, you can use and, or, and not to help narrow down your search results. These operators must be in all caps. Now you know how to find records in Sugar using Global Search. Thanks for watching this video.